Little lady, hello.
Who said that?
Looking cute as can be.
Somebody there?
Looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Wesley Audrey II. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax. Go with it, doll. Do me a favor, would you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water and a waste way. Look at my branch, honey. I'm a goner. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't